Hello everyone. Today I'm going to just do a page of fall colored leaves, and I've sketched out some different shapes, and I'm just going to get started. This is hot press watercolor paper. I haven't used this in a long time. I've had this paper probably for 25 years, so I'm hoping that it accepts the watercolor okay. And I'm just going to do start with some yellow in one of these. This is like an oak leaf, and I kind of wanted to keep it pale. Of course, this is very intense, so I need to lighten it up a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and just start painting. My intention is to keep these light because I really do want to doodle over them, but I don't know if I'll be able to doodle over this one. That's all right. I've kind of learned on this one that it's a staining color. So just trying to cover those little stains up. Just went right into the paper and soaked in. Not all papers, you'll have to test your watercolors on different papers because some papers have more sizing than others. Some papers, it just grabs the color like this one's doing. So hot press and cold press papers really are different with each other. So just play, just try different things. The colors should lighten up just a little bit. This is core watercolors, so they don't lighten up much, and that could be why they're sort of staining. I'm not sure if it's the paper or the color. That's all right. These will be cut out later and turned into little cutouts for collage and mixed media projects. So I'm not really too concerned, and it will have some doodling over it. So that hopefully will translate nicely when it dries. I'm just going to go on to the next shape. This is a little simpler. This time I'm going to take a brush and wet the paper down first and see if I get a different effect. So I'm just wetting the leaf shape with just some water, and then I'll put the color in and see what happens. I do notice that this paper soaks up the water really, it kind of drinks it up. Now I am finished painting the leaves. I'm going to give them some time to dry. The ones that are drying the palest will be the ones that I'll doodle on in just a few moments. Now my leaf is finished and I'm ready to put it in a journal or do something, put it on a card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.